Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. It's 9 a.m., last day of the month. Yes, tomorrow is another month, so last day for us to make some nice profits so we can close the month, like a pro. Guys, before we're gonna start, let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me, and then we're gonna move forward. I'm gonna open AI Quinto so we can have a look at today's news first. AI Quinto, and then I will give you some updates about Trading Journal. But yeah, a few things has been improved. We can barely hear you. That's not possible. That is not possible. What about the rest? Do you hear me good, guys? Let me know if everything is okay with the sound. 1, 2, 3. It should be okay. Okay, today is Tuesday, the 31st of March, and we are looking at high impact news. Later on, we got some jolts in United States at 3 p.m. That is marked as high impact news, and the rest of the day is looking pretty good. It's fine. Okay, good. I'm gonna check this Forex factory also. We got some GDP in Canada. I want to check here as well. Have a look. Guys, in calendar here, jolts are not the mark as high impact, so basically we can trade on our accounts during jolts. You can see right here, and we need to be careful at Euro because it's marked at high impact news. Eurozone, we got for harmonized index of consumer prices, it's marked as red, so we need to have a look at that if we're gonna make any plan on Euro. Yes, there are some updates. I will show you in the second. Let me just check if it's finished already. Second, not yet. Probably another 5 minutes, guys. I will show you. Very nice. Something very nice. I think everyone needs that. Okay, we know what news we have, so we need to be aware of Euro at 11 and later on, of course, 3. We got some jolts at 4 p.m. Right? 4 p.m. jolts. Okay, so let's move to our charts. And let's start from our basic strategy, only in ASAP. Let's look for daily targets. 1 second. Expert advisors, properties. Do we have any daily targets? We do have, but we got 2 targets above the price. And like you can see, the price is moving in bearish rotation channel. So probably we're gonna look for some short positions today. That's what we're gonna do. And let's check the other hours, 5 minutes time frame. We have target here, but we are too close to that target. If they're gonna get there, that's nice. We cannot use our targets on Euro USD. And we got some news in about two hours time. So let's check some other assets. We got GBP USD and the target is done. And do we have any other targets? Let's have a look. 1 hour time frame. No targets close by, so not really. I like this, guys, volume level. This is so nice. Let me just copy that. 32300. Okay, volume edge. To 300. This is volume level. Okay, why this volume level is so nice? Because when we look at the chart, first of all, this is some kind of liquid zone. Yes, we got some liquidity up here. This is high of today. So we can probably combine that with our Asian session liquidity. Let me just put it like this on buy side. And we need some sessions. Yes, we got Asian session. And as you know, we got some liquidity up here. So volume level, that can be a trigger for the price to drop down. Also, if we're going to look on the left-hand side here, strong impulse started from here. So probably we can have a look at fixed range volume profile. And look at this area. It's quite high. I don't like this high, but I think it's somewhere around our volume level. Yes, exactly. So it's in our zone. We're not gonna set pending order on this one, but we can probably look for reaction here. So if we're gonna get there, we're gonna look for reaction and we're gonna try to go down. Yes. From higher time frame, we went in some kind of rotation channel. If I'm gonna move it like this, is gonna work? Oh, it's working. Yes, this rotation channel is working. We had to change it a little bit, but we got some reactions from the top, from the bottom. Yesterday we bounced from the bottom and we are going a little bit higher. If you look at this liquid zone right here, what we got. No, this is not liquid zone. Support resistance zone. This is our support resistance zone. It has been retested. There was reaction. But if we're gonna go to lower time frame, look, this is the area with liquidity from Asian session. We got some strong impulse on the left-hand side. We got some volume level. And we got some support resistance zone. So that can be nice trigger for sellers. We're gonna try to use it, of course. Okay. So let's make a plan. So the best option for me is the price will go up. And here we're gonna have strong reaction. We can look for short position and we can have high risk to reward because probably we can try to get to this low from today. So if we're gonna enter position like that, probably we can have 1-3, 1-4 risk to reward ratio. And we're gonna try to catch that. I'm gonna make a screenshot. Sessions March. Let's add new folder. Today's the 31st, 03. And we are looking at GBP USD. Smart money concept. Okay, all right. Trading journal is finished. Let me just show you. Give me a second and just click OK. And we need to wait another 15-20 seconds and I will show you what you can do now, right now with the trading journal, guys. Your trading journal, your personal assistance. Come on. All right, it's ready. It is ready. Check this out. Just refresh. I need to refresh it as well. So guys, if you're gonna go to your account, here you got something new. Get recommendations. If you click on this, you will get some recommendations, what you can improve, what you should avoid, and what you should do from next time. So you got basic informations here, what you are doing well, what areas you should improve, and recommendations for action plan. And of course, you can translate this if you want to check that in different language. So I think it's pretty good. And also notebook has been updated. It's looking much better right now. At the bottom, you can move the screens right here and push it up. But also if you're gonna click on the screen, you can just switch between them. Okay. So I think it's pretty cool. Okay, yeah. At the moment, it will stay like that. Maybe we're gonna do some other things as well. Oh, I think we should be able to. Where is it? Let's export PDF. Have a look. I need to see how this is gonna work. I'm not sure if it's working good right now. Maybe we're gonna have to change. Let's have a look. I didn't check that yet. Yeah, it's been exported to PDF, but I don't think recognize this edit image. Can make it bigger, probably like that. Yeah, it's not too bad. I need to see how this is gonna work. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try to do it. We're gonna try to improve it. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, it looks good. I know. Okay, what's next, guys? We know what to do on GBP USD. The thing is, oh no, they didn't react. Okay, let's leave it. USD CAD. No, we're gonna check gold first. Indicators list. Let me just clear the chart. Okay, object. Move. No targets close by from the previous day, so we need to change the hours also from 2 to 9. Let's have a look. Oh, yes, we have a target here, which is good because we want to see the price to get to this area and then drop. So maybe we can have one trade to go up and the other trade to go down. Why not? Let's add the simple trend line. I'm not sure. I think we are a little bit too close right here. Gold. Maybe if we're gonna drop a little bit lower, it's gonna be much easier for us. Okay, let's have a look at. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is looking good. Is looking good. Maybe we're gonna set pending order. Here it doesn't look that good as here. Probably this area right here. Thought it looks better, but okay. We're gonna look for some confirmations. Let's look at this area. We're gonna try to buy from here. Not yet, not yet, guys. Don't have any more confirmations. No, cannot use it. We need some confirmation. It's looking good, but you know, we need some confirmations. That journal is awesome and very useful. Thank you. Guys, if you got any more ideas how we can improve this trading journal, send me direct message on Discord. And if you see that something is not working, something is wrong, something we could improve, let me know. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna add the things you need. So if you need any more things in this trading journal, let me know, and we're gonna try to make it the best trading journal ever. Bogdan, I don't know why you can barely hear me. I'm not sure why. It's all should be good. 1 second. Let me just check here. Okay, if I'm gonna volume, 1 second. I got some here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is it better? Hello? Let me know if it's better. I think it's too loud now. It might be too loud. So let me know. I think it's gonna be good right now. Way better. Good. Happy to hear that. Okay, guys. So let's focus on this target from 2 to 9 because it's above the price and we're gonna try to get to that target. First, let's wait for the price to drop. So we can look for some important zones. First of all, I'm gonna do it on trading view 459159. It's around 1 second, 1 second. Let's add our target here. That's our target. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Is it in the right place? Let me know. No, there is a small price difference. So it's about here. Okay, so we got our target. That's okay. We can mark this area. We will see how big reaction will be in this place. Okay, and we can mark some important zones First of all, now we enter the liquid zone. You can see right here. This is L side liquidity. Okay, we enter the zone. You can see they grab some liquidity and we might go straight up now. If not, this area can be triggered. Okay, and so the first zone, from here we can go up. If not, if the price will get to this zone, this is the second place where we can go up, and this is the third place. So we will see. Later on, we probably will be able to add the trend line in a little bit different way, because now the trend line is looking like this. Okay. So if we're gonna go a little bit lower and we're gonna get here, probably we would be able to change this trend line, maybe for something like that. And after the breakout, we're gonna try to get to the target. So it's good that they're going a little bit lower because we got more space, okay? Because if we're gonna go up now, maybe we're gonna have to wait for the retest and we might have a space. Maybe. I need at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. 1 to 1, no chance. Especially on gold, no chance. So we will see. This is the first option. Another one from here. Probably, like I said, maybe we're gonna be able to add the trend line after the breakout. Try to look for the trade, and from here, probably also look for another one. So 3 different options. We need to just wait for and see what the price is gonna do. If we're gonna go lower and there will be a reaction, we're gonna try to go up. If not, if they're gonna drop down, that's okay. Let them go. I don't mind. So I'm gonna save the screenshot. This is gold. Yeah. Okay. So we have gold. Yes, it's available, but just waiting for the license. Hopefully today we're gonna be able to make a license, and also we got another indicator for you, probably for mid-week range reversion. Not this one, right here. So there is another indicator you're gonna get also. Okay. Let's have a look at crude oil. This can be nice. Okay, so what can we see? Let 1 second before we're gonna move there. I want to check. Gold, if we are moving in any rotation channel, probably yes. Let's have a look. This is looking pretty good. We are moving in some kind of rotation channel from 1 hour time frame. But we also might be in a bigger rotation channel, like you can see over here. So if you're gonna move to 5 minutes time frame, these both channels are close to each other. So there is a chance. Look where this area is. is at the bottom of the rotation channel from higher time frame. So if we're gonna get here and they're gonna bounce from this area, guys, we have a chance to get to the target or even higher. They might go a little bit lower. Over here we got another imbalance, so they can drop lower to this rotation channel and bounce from here. In this case, we're gonna have much more space to our target and we're gonna be able to get more profit from this one. So yes, let me just save that screen. It's looking good. But for this one, probably we're gonna have to wait till after this afternoon. This is gold. Okay. Crude oil, 1 hour time frame. Where are we right now? There is a nice retest of support resistance zone, guys. It's looking good. Can we do it like this? Probably we can. Probably we can. We don't need this week over here. That was some kind of manipulation, unexpected move on the chart, so don't worry about that. But if this rotation channel is working, we're supposed to go up. But also, when I'm looking at this impulse from yesterday, we need to be careful because we got some spike move and we might have some flag right here. So there is a chance when we're gonna get here, we may look for short position to this edge, and where we get here, we're gonna look for long or breakout and drop. Yeah, the 50% is looking good. Let's check volume levels. Crude oil volume edge. We got some volume levels here. This volume level is in liquid zone, very nice. But we want to go higher, so if we're gonna go to 5 minutes time frame, you know, we can come back here and then go up. Because when we are looking at this volume level, it's not that good. Oh yes, this volume level, it's very nice, I can say. Look at this, guys. Here we got some liquidity from today Asian session. So under this low, we can change the color so we can see that better. We got some liquid zone up over here. Sorry, not from Asian session. What I'm talking about. This 1 hour time frame. Look at the reaction at the point of control today. The price dropped and reaction at point of control. Very nice. But also we got some point of control from 1 o'clock from open. Yes, from today, basically, from the whole day. The point of control right now is here. Not surprised because the price was moving sideways right here. No, I don't think we're gonna use that. No, probably not. I thought it's gonna be nice, but it's not. Mm, 0.5 and 50%. Okay. Just worry about this channel. If we're gonna break through, probably we can look for some short positions. Probably we can look for some short positions, but also we got some volume levels over here. So we may bounce from this bottom edge of rotation channel, and maybe we're gonna have a space to get to the top here. Maybe. Yeah, we need to be careful on this one. Why we need to be careful? Because from like 6 a.m. we are moving up and down in the range. We might have a chance to go up. If we're gonna get here, probably we can look for some long position. But first, let them get here, and we're gonna check what's gonna be reaction. We will see, because now the price stopped at some support resistance zone. We'll see if this will hold this price or not. Yeah, we got some support resistance, and this zone we're gonna change for green, and we'll see if the buyer's gonna come. We can look for AI to find the place to enter the position. You can see this is bearish volume zone at this moment, so no, not really. Not really. With this one, we're gonna be careful. Okay, we're gonna be careful. This is crude oil. Yeah, I want to see what's gonna happen here. If we drop here, I want to check that area. At the moment, we got some kind of double top. So let's wait with this one. Okay, gold is going up, down. They stop for now. They don't doing too much. GBP. Still waiting. Okay, we can have a look at some other assets. Maybe US 500. No. Yeah, let's check US 500. Why not? Okay, let's check that impulse. Basically the whole situation over here. We know we got some imbalances, but can we find any confirmations? No volume levels. That's no good. Too much over here is going on. This area is too big. We got another zone here. And for me, it doesn't look too bad, too good. Remove that. Let's check higher time frame. We got some double bottom here, basically triple bottom, and they grabbed some liquidity, and that's why we got this move. Probably yes, but we got some support resistance zone, and that can block the price because there was a reaction already. Anyway, do we have any rotation channel? Okay, probably we can leave it like that. There was a reaction at the bottom of the channel, so basically we have a space to go up, and maybe we can look for the trade to go up. We got some kind of breakout. Is it any channel? It is. So yeah, we got some kind of breakout. We're gonna look for maybe retest, and then we're gonna try to go up. Maybe. Because here we got some double bottom as well, guys. And we might have continuation. The price is breaking through. We just need the retest. Basically, for 1 minute time frame, we got already retest. And the problem is they can go straight up without going back to retest this zone. But I don't want to open it too early also. Especially that I don't see at the moment. We got some buyers, but the risky trade would be like this. I don't like positions like this. To get too high of today, open it now and go. But I prefer retest. So the price can come back here and then to go up. A little bit better entry, but this may work because this is Nasdaq. So they're gonna go. Double bottom here, and we can see the price is moving. Looking good, but I don't want to rush. I don't want to open the trade after this kind of impulse. We're gonna wait for the retest. If we're gonna see the retest on this instrument, we're gonna enter the trade to go up. We just need to see the price to drop a little bit. Nice reaction, and we're gonna try to enter the trade to go up to get to the high of today. So basically to the Asian session liquidity. Okay, let's make a screenshot. We need to add those trading journal, guys. I know I save screenshots. This is US 500. We've got few plans, so let's save them to our trading journal. Trading journal. Add new trade. This is US 500. We want to go up. Select strategy. Let's say smart money concept because we want to use some areas of liquidity. Lot size, I don't know yet. Profit the same. Open, close, we don't know. Today is the 03/2026. Open time the same, we don't know yet. Stop loss not sure yet, we're gonna change that later. Okay, we don't need to put it now. 0.25 probably, and we got some I'm just waiting for the retest of okay, and this is trading plan. Let's save it. First plan of the day. Let's have a look. Trading plan today. Yes, it's been saved. Okay, let's add another one. What I'm doing. Add new trade. We got some other ones as well. Which ones do we have? Live session March 31st. GBP. Also, we got GBP USD. Direction sell. Smart money concept. Lot size we don't know. Don't know. Okay, the price is required. Okay, the price is required. All right. Okay, another one saved. Trading plan for today. We got 2 more to add. We got gold. We want to go up. Lot size. Open time. And we can add 2 screens right here. We can swap them later. So this is the first one. And this is the other one. Okay, we have few plans for today. So we got them right here. So what's going on? They're going up, which is good. You could see sometimes aggressive entry. It's also good, but I prefer some confirmations. Imbalance finder. Yeah, we need to go back to this imbalance or this one. This one will be the best, probably. And GBP, they grabbed some liquidity from here, and there is a reaction. High risk. Yes. Yeah, if we're gonna break through, maybe we can open the trade to get to this volume, but to be honest, I'm gonna wait for the price to get here, and from here I'm gonna look for shorts. Then we got gold. Yeah, slowly, guys. Leszek, okay. It's nice. So you enter the position right here somewhere after they grabbed some liquidity, right? Basically, we got double bottom here. Yeah, they can just go. It's US 500, so. But we will see. Yeah, let's wait and see. Okay, what else can we check? Maybe USD CHF or CAD. Maybe we've got some targets for reaction or anything like that. Let's have a look. Volume edge, let's remove that. This is looking pretty amazing. Look at US dollar, Canadian dollar. They are going straight up all the time. No bigger pullbacks, just bullish, strong bullish trend. That's how it looks like from 4-hour time frame. But we stopped somewhere and we reached this level right here. And there is a chance we're gonna have a reaction, but basically we reached this area and I cannot see strong reaction. We just stopped here. We just stopped here. I think if they're gonna drop, they will need some trigger for that. Maybe some kind of news. Not sure about it. Probably gonna leave it. Probably we're gonna leave this one. I want to check USD JPY. This can be nice. It's moving a little bit better. Indicators. Okay, any targets? No targets close by from previous day. Let's have a look at the targets from 227. Oh no, it's also done. The price already got to that target. Fair enough. Okay. This is 4-hour time frame. I'm not sure if you can find some kind of rotation channel. It might be hard. We've been inside the rotation channel. This has been retested and we are moving up at the moment. I'm not gonna do it like this because it doesn't make sense probably. Or maybe. No, it's looking not too bad. Not too bad. We got basically two first swings over here. We catch them. We got 1 and 2, so it's okay. Maybe. Why not? Okay, let's leave it like this for now. So if this rotation channel is working, we're gonna have a chance, probably somewhere around the bottom of this rotation channel. We can go to lower time frame and we can look for some confirmations. First of all, we can have a look at our Asian session because we got some liquidity on both sides. So because we are moving in bullish rotation channel, it will be great if they're gonna drop into liquid zone and then reaction. Because basic buy, basic sell, they are working good in a trend. So we just need to go lower, but where they can go? Here we got some liquid zone. This is sell side liquidity like this, and any lower we got another one, another zone right here. Probably yes. Asian session from last week. I'm gonna put it just for observation, guys. Okay, and the rest, we don't have any imbalances here. It's all done. it's good because if we're gonna go here slowly, we might get here around this afternoon, maybe during QS session, and we're gonna look for some long position from here. So yes, let them drop. Let them drop. I need to see the price to get somewhere around this liquid zone. And if we're gonna bounce from a bullish rotation channel from higher time frame, we can have a look, maybe even on 1 hour time frame to find the place to enter this trade. Can be pretty good. USD JP. Why? And we're gonna save that into the trading journal. I know what I need to change. I know. USD JPY. We want to go up. Lot size 1. Tomorrow we can open the trade using new strategy from conference, guys. Okay, so we got few trading plans, guys. Now we just need to watch the market and see what's gonna happen. We know what to do. I know what to do. Remember, these are not trading. This is not trading advice. Guys, you are trading at your own risk. I'm just showing you my own approach, how I use the setups, but these are not recommendations, okay? So gold, it's looking good. Even if we're gonna break through now, we can look for the trade. To be honest, I would like to see the price to drop a little bit lower, but this is looking okay. They grab some liquidity from here, so that can be a trigger for buyers. So this may be very soon. If not, if we're gonna bounce from here and we're gonna go lower, probably we're gonna look from this place. We're gonna have more space to our target. So we're just waiting for the breakout. Would be nice. Yeah, got you. Yeah. So yeah, here we are waiting for the breakout. GBP also we are waiting for that. Gold, US 500, they are going up. That's why I told you that there is a chance to open more aggressively trade and we would be in profit. But I'm not doing that. Usually I'm waiting for the retest. So they can still go down, but now I'm not expecting the price to go that low, like here. No, maybe just to this area and then to go up. We will see. Guys, in about 5 minutes time, we're gonna have another live trading session on our Discord channel. So I think that's it. We got 5 different trading plans. We can watch them, and if there will be opportunity, of course, I will enter the trade. So I'm gonna watch those 4, basically 5 different scenarios. US 500. We might have a chance after, not like this, but like I said before, seconds ago, maybe some pullback and we can try to join. GBP USD, I'm still waiting for the price to get into that liquid zone and volume level. Then we got few different plans on gold to go up from some areas of liquidity. We just need the reaction. And another screen is saying that we should bounce from the bullish rotation channel. And the last one is USD JPY, also somewhere around bottom of rotation channel. Guys, thank you very much for today. Hope you enjoyed that. And we're gonna move to Discord channel and we're gonna have another live trading session. And later on, remember, we got another session at 2 p.m. So I'm gonna look for those setups if we're gonna have a chance to open the position. I will do it. If not, I'm gonna wait for next session, maybe some better opportunities later on. So guys, thank you very much for the session. I will see you later on. I wish you good luck.